So, greetings once again from NISSI Beach, and just look at the beautiful color of the water that we have today on the 2nd of January. It's absolutely amazing. You wouldn't guess that this is actually filmed in January, but I can assure you it is, as I am at NISSI Beach right now on my day 13 of my Cyprus winter vacation, and this is the best beach in Cyprus because look at the color of the water. It's super amazing, and the beach is quite long. It has so many amenities and restaurants that mostly work during the season, summer season. So probably from May until October. And from the beach there is a natural sandy bridge that will take you to the NISSI island, as you can see now. And this is the fourth episode I'm showing you from this winter vacation, because this is the best beach, so I wanted to visit as many times as possible in different times of the day. So this is where the sun is highest up at 1 p.m. and I'm here for a quick swim today to enjoy this beautiful beach in Cyprus. So let's check out also this island as I walk through this beautiful, beautiful water. Here you can see also the bridge, sandy, that connects the NISSI Islands with the beach. It's so beautiful. Amazing. That color of the water is so breathtaking to look at. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, NISSI Beach, definitely the best beach in Cyprus. In a tight race with Fig Tree Bay in Protaras. That's around 12 kilometers from here. So now let's enjoy and take a swim and have this beach adventure today, 2nd of January 2024. Let's go! So I can't make this up. The color of the water is amazing. When I open my eyes, I just see the best shade of blue there is. Let's go down once again in the water. Amazing, amazing. We have currently 21 degrees Celsius in the air and around 19 degrees in the sea. It might be a bit warmer here because it's very shallow where I am. But yeah, that is NISSI Beach, Ayia, Napa, Cyprus, and how it looks like on the 2nd of January 2024. If you want to escape the crowds, you should come at this period of the year, as there are people still on the beach, but compared to summer, maybe there are 5 to 10% only, because there are still flights even during the winter months from certain cities, but the season of course is obviously May until October. So that's a wrap from NISSI Beach, the 4th episode during this winter vacation. I also visited the beach on my birthday, 31st of August, for my summer vacation here in Cyprus. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!
Ayia, Napa,